Hello and welcome to PnTutorials. In this video tutorial, we will learn what is a standard database SQL statement and what are the different elements of a SQL statement. A SQL statement is a standalone element that expresses some actions to be carried out. The keywords, identifier, constants and clauses are combined together to form a valid statement. In databases, structured query language or SQL is case insensitive. So select all small letters is similar to select all capital letters. Though SQL is case insensitive, it is a good practice to write all keywords in uppercase so that we can distinguish the keywords in a SQL statement. Some database management systems like MySQL require a semicolon at the end of each SQL statement to complete the statement. By adding a semicolon at the end of the statement, we can execute more than one SQL statement in a single call to the server. Just like a sentence in the English language is made up of words, similarly the SQL statements are made up of keywords, identifier, constants and clauses. Keywords are SQL standard words used to construct the SQL statements. Some keywords are optional while some of them are mandatory. Identifiers are the names given to the database tables or columns. The constants are literals that represent fixed values. A clause is a portion of SQL statement. The name of the clause corresponds to the SQL keyword that begins the clause. Here is an example of SQL query made up of keywords, identifiers and constants. Select name from students where ID equal to 7. In this query, select from and where are keywords. Select and from are mandatory while where is optional. Equal sign is a special type of keyword called operator. Names, students and ID are identifiers. Name and ID are column names while students is a table name. 7 is numeric constant and the SQL statement contains select clause, from clause and where clause. Here is another example. Select star from students where age is greater than 5. In this query, select from and where are keywords. Select and from are mandatory while where is optional. The asterisk is a special type of keyword which means all the columns in the table. Greater than sign is a special type of keyword called comparison operator. Age is a column name while students is a table name. 5 is a numeric constant and the SQL statement contains select clause, from clause and where clause. So in this video we learn about a standard database SQL statement and its elements named keywords, identifier, constants and clauses. I hope the tutorial was easy to understand. If the tutorial was helpful to you, like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.